Ever wonder how some YouTube channels seem to skyrocket in popularity overnight? How do they do it? Well, it's not always about luck or viral content. Sometimes it's all about understanding and implementing some key strategies. Today we're going to delve into the top 5 ways to increase your YouTube channel's views and subscribers. First off, it's all about content. Content is king, as they say, but what kind of content? Unique, engaging, and high-quality content is the answer. Don't just copy what others are doing. Think outside the box. Consider what's missing in your niche and fill that gap. Use high-quality equipment for filming and editing to ensure a professional look and sound. And remember, consistency is key. Regularly uploading fresh content keeps your audience coming back for more. Secondly, optimize for search. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. So, it's crucial to understand how YouTube's algorithm works. Make sure you use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos show up in search results when people look for content similar to yours. The third strategy is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos. Ask your viewers questions and encourage them to share their thoughts. This boosts your visibility and shows your viewers that you value their input. Fourth on the list is collaboration. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help you reach a larger audience. When you collaborate with others, their audience gets to know about you and your channel, which can lead to more views and subscribers. Lastly, promote your channel. Use your other social media platforms to promote your YouTube videos. Also, consider investing in YouTube advertising to reach a larger audience. So to recap, the top 5 ways to grow your YouTube channel are: 1. Create unique, engaging, and high-quality content. 1. Optimize your videos for search. 1. Engage with your audience. 1. Collaborate with other YouTubers. 1. Promote your channel on other platforms and through advertising. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of effort. But with these strategies, you're well on your way to growing your YouTube channel. So go ahead.